You can make all your YouTube videos private at once using YouTube Studio on both PC and mobile. Here's the step-by-step guide. On PC, YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. Go to Content. Click on Content from the left menu. Select all videos. Click the checkbox at the top to select all videos. Change visibility. Click Edit appears at the top bar. Choose visibility from the drop-down menu. Select Private. Save changes. Confirm by clicking Saved on Mobile, YouTube Studio app. Open YouTube Studio app. Download from Play Store, App Store if you don't have it. Go to Content. Tap on Videos from the bottom menu. Edit videos one by one. Batch editing isn't available on mobile yet. Tap on a video. Tap Edit. Pencil icon. Tap Visibility and select Private. Tap Save. Repeat for each video. Alternative for mobile, web browser. Open YouTube Studio in a web browser, desktop mode. Follow the PC steps above. Now all your YouTube videos will be private and only you or invited users can watch them. Let me know if you need more help.